जी hello everyone, my name is Dr Zishan. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, आज जो है एक दोस्त है मेरा, कुलीग भी है, तो वो बेसिकली इस कैंपस आया हुआ है, तो उसके साथ आज मेरी मुलाकात है बिकॉज हम एक ही ऑफिस में काम करते थे पहले। तो अभी मैंने ऑफिस चेंज किया, मैं दूसरे कैंपस में आया हूँ, तो क्योंकि मेरा जो पोस्टडॉक है वो एंड होने वाला है और मेरे फ्रेंड का भी फ़िलहाल टाइम रहता है काफ़ी। वो बेसिकली इजिप्ट से है, उसके साथ पहले भी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी। अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखी और न्यू है मेरे चैनल पे तो आप वीडियो जो है ज़रूर वॉच करें। तो उसके साथ आज थोड़ी गपशप करूँगा और आप लोगों को भी हो सका तो थोड़ा बहुत जो है उसके साथ वीडियो शूट करूँगा और दिखाऊँगा, तो आप वीडियो कंप्लीट देखें। हेलो अखी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग दिस डेज?
Fine, alhamdulillah. How are you too?
I'm fine, I'm good.
I hope you find a good place after you change your position.
Yes, you see the situation right now because the place is also good, and but I miss you guys.
All the office miss you, Dr. Zishan.
Yeah.
You did very good for years.
Exactly.
Yeah, so now when there is any opportunity at the weekend, so I come to see you. Good luck in your future.
Yeah, inshallah. If you have anything to do in this campus, you can come and we can talk sometimes, and we can also help each other. And how is your family these days? They are fine. Okay. So how is Dr. Shah, Dr. Son, and they are doing well?
Give you all greetings.
Okay. Okay.
All of them give you all greetings.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I think we spent really a good time, and they are very helping, and they did many things for us.
Yeah.
Because being a foreigner, I think we face some challenges here, so that's why. Actually, Dr. Amr is a very nice person, and since 1 week I left my office, I have changed my place. Now I moved to this campus. So Dr. Amr, he always miss me. He's very nice, and we are like brothers, and we spent a lot of time together. So when he come to Shili campus, he always come to visit me.
Of course, okay. I come to you because all the previous week, not only me, all office miss you.
Exactly.
So thank you for your time, and thank you for this opportunity to come and find you again. It's not easy for me to not to see you for this long time. So actually, it was a very, very good time to come and find you.
You know, when we work in the same office and we have a family, and we live like a family, and we talk with each other and we help each other. So when we leave that place, this is very difficult time for us.
For me.
Yeah, exactly.
Even it's painful for me. So that's why at the weekend I like to come find you, and alhamdulillah I find you very well.
Yeah, thank you so much. I wish that you also have a quality time there, because Dr. Amr still have 1 year, more than 1 year, I think. So I'm almost ending and finishing my postdoc. So still he has enough time to stay here. But we enjoyed, and
our relationship continues for forever.
Yes, sure. Inshallah, we will be together and we will help each other wherever we are. So we will be in touch, and we will.
So thank you very much for your time.
I am really blessed that I have a brother like you. So thank you so much. You came here and you met me. So we will meet frequently if you have time when you come. Even when I have something to do in that office, I will come, and maybe we will meet again.
Yes, inshallah.
So thank you so much. अच्छा गाइस, मैं ऑफिस से आ गया था और डॉक्टर आमिर भी अपने ऑफिस चला गया था। तो अभी जो है मेरे जो इंडियन फ्रेंड्स हैं उनमें से डॉक्टर रामकी ने मुझे कॉल की है, तो उसका थोड़ा काम है बाहर, तो फिर अभी उसको मैं मिलूंगा और फिर हम बाहर जाएंगे। तो आपको भी दिखाते हैं कि हम कहाँ जाते हैं, तो आप वीडियो के साथ जुड़े रहें। डॉक्टर रामकी is here. Finally we met. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
How are you, bhai?
Yeah, fine.
So where we go now? Let me think. Okay. So we can.
We have any Vivo authorized service under this yeah? In our city campus?
This way, I'm not sure because some shops, they close early.
Okay.
It's night now.
We're going to switch off.
Okay.
to save the battery life.
So guys, we are trying to find a shop for Dr. RamKi, and Dr. RamKi iPhone is broken right now. The power button actually is broken. So we are trying to find an iPhone outlet.
Yeah.
So let's see whether we can find it easily. Guys, finally we found one shop, and the shopkeeper is agreed to repair Dr. RamKi iPhone, and he said that after 30 minutes he will give us back.
Yeah.
And Dr. RamKi iPhone actually has the problem at the power button has something wrong, and when he cannot turn off, he cannot turn on. So actually this is a problem, right?
Yeah. We both are going to negotiate. They asking 80 RMB.
Yeah,
But
first he said
they
80 RMB.
negotiate around 60.
Yeah,
They
60.
reduced 20 RMB, I think. It's better. Okay.
Yeah, we saved 20 RMB.
Yeah.
So after 30 minutes we will come back. We first look around and we will take this phone. भी शॉप ओनर का हमें मैसेज आया कि भाई आपका फ़ोन जो है वो रेडी है, तो आप आए और फ़ोन पिक करें. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं. So we will go and pick our phone because he sent us message and he said your phone is ready.
Okay, we'll watch
Yeah.
how it is working.
So now your iPhone is ready.
Yeah.
So you can use it.
Yeah.
The speed is so fast. You see, within 30 or 45 minutes they give us.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So this is good. Good thing, I think.
Yeah, I think it was a lot of electronics hub is there, inside.
Yes, China has many. Yes. So we are arrived. We will talk to him. This shop. Guys, हम आए हैं अभी इधर और इसने मैसेज किया है कि आप आ जाएं और फोन पे कर लें. तो इससे फिर बात करते हैं, फोन उठाते हैं. डॉक्टर रामकी का फोन बन चुका है. आप देखें कि अभी डॉक्टर रामकी के फोन ने 3-4 हार पहने हुए हैं. और हेलो.
I think he
ये
doing
शूशू
well.
है. यार शूशू जो है ना, ये काफी फ्रैंक बंदा है. ये काफी गपशप लगाने वाला बंदा है. तो उसने काफी गपशप भी लगाई है और हमें थोड़ी बहुत रियायत भी दी है. था फू बोला.
Thank you.
好的，谢谢谢谢，拜拜拜拜，慢走啊。So guys, अभी फोन हमारा आ चुका है. आईफोन बन चुका है और आईफोन ने जो है you can show your iPhone to our viewers. So now the phone is okay and he can use easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it can turn off, turn on.
Continuously.
So guys, आप जो है वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें और अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें.
See you next video.
Yes, see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Bye bye.